We're in Swanee, Florida. We're 2,300 linear feet of SLP 600, 18-foot length of shoreline vinyl bulkhead is being installed by D&L Contracting. They've got a guide or jig that they lag to a temporary back whaler 24 inches over from the previous sheet. That's also lagged to the back whaler. This board was placed here as a guide, so all they had to do is slide the jig up against it. It was already level, lag it, and they're on their way. Gentleman up here is dogging the sheets into place on the highway. They'll pick them up and swing them here into place. The male end will go in here, the female end will go in here. The guide and jig is already spaced 24 inches apart. The SLP 600 is a 12-inch profile. They got them from the plant already paired, therefore they're putting in 2 feet with every paired section. Drops the sheet down in place, pulls the cord and releases the dog. He's doing some jetting along the bottom of the sheet, although it's probably not necessary with the amount of force that they're pushing and hitting these sheets with the excavator. Pushing the sheet down here. Now he's going to rotate his driver, start hitting it with the meat end. These are 18-foot sheets. They're going to end up with about 6 foot of exposure. They're going about 12 feet down into the sand and mud combination bottom. Starts hitting the hard pan. Starts hitting it pretty good. You're on the ground, you can feel the ground shake. The excavator starts to shake. As you can see there, the track started to hop off the ground. They've hit their rock. It's not going to go any further. They drill a hole in the sheet. They're lagging the previous sheet. Lagging the previous sheet to the back whaler. They'll unlag the jig. It's already hooked in place. He'll now pull the jig up with the excavator. They'll attach it 24 inches over, be ready for the next sheet. They're setting about 2 feet every 2.5 minutes. That's 1 foot, 1 linear foot every 1 minute 15 seconds. Total of 2,300 linear feet of shoreline SLP 600 18-foot paired sections going in Swanee, Florida by D&L Contracting. About 100 feet to go, about 2,100 feet already installed.